Welcome to another recording and another opportunity to connect. Thank you. And today we're going to learn why it is good to prioritize ourselves. To prioritize ourselves. Sounds big-headed, doesn't it? It doesn't have to be. We're not talking about mundane self-prioritization, no. When we say self-prioritization, we mean the holistic approach to that concept. And that approach is honest, authentic, comfortable, acceptable, manageable. Because to prioritize yourself means nothing more, but certainly nothing less than to remember who you are. Life often causes us to forget huge parts of who we are. Enormous amounts of dreams and wishes and talents and skills and many aspects of us get denied because it all gets so busy and overwhelming for most of the time. But when we remember who we are, we call all of that back to us. And you restore yourself fully. And thus we prioritize ourselves organically. In a beautiful and powerful way. Now you might be thinking, oh, I'm not used to prioritizing myself, for I have always given others priority. And maybe I've been doing that to please people, or because it was a part of my job, or my role in the family, or my role in the office. Even in your friendship circle, you have been denying yourself to show up fully and prioritize you instead of them, instead of it, instead of the project, instead of the goals. And that changes here. That changes now as you call all of you, all that is you, back towards you, like a magnet from the core of your heart. You draw everything back to you. Your confidence, your beauty, your insights, your knowledge, your strength, that power. This is true self-restoration. You have been walking through life like a puzzle that had fallen apart, leaving parts of you everywhere and with so many people in so many situations. But during this meditation, during this time together, you bring those pieces back to you and you restore the picture that is you. It's time to step up and step out again into the world as the full picture of you, as the full version of you, as the powerful version of you. Remember, this is who you are. You came here complete, as a perfect, complete soul. And the invitation is to regularly restore ourselves. And that's how you prioritize yourself. In a non-selfish and very helpful way. And as you go through life, in the next couple of days, weeks, months, years, of course you will again leave parts of you behind, wherever you go and wherever you show up and share your love. And that is fine. But it is essential to, as often as you feel the need to restore that picture of yourself, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, so that you can once again prioritize yourself. You are your number one priority. Very challenging concept for spiritually minded people to accept. for you are givers, you are carers. You prioritize others all of the time. But the most beneficial way for others to receive your abundance of support is by you showing up wholly as the full, substantial picture and version of yourself. For only that way will you be able to carry on without exhausting yourself. So trust that whoever you make contact with will take and use and spiritually leverage what you can offer them. But remember to remember who you are and restore yourself often so that you can keep walking your path with a happy heart instead of a heavy heart. Today I remember who I am. Today I choose to remember who I am. I am a good person. I have good intentions. And my actions are pure as they can be, given the context of my own life, my situation, and my resources. I ground myself and I carry on remembering who I am.